Hello, I'm Professor John Bordeaux, and here we have a Flex Mendel 3D printer. We are going to level the bed plate. The idea behind leveling the bed plate is we need it nice and level, otherwise when we build our 3D printer layers, they'll be faulty. So we need a couple of tools. We're going to need a Phillips screwdriver and a business card. First thing we're going to do is we're going to turn on our machine, our 3D printer, and there's a on-off switch on the right side of the LCD screen. It's going to turn it on. The lights should come on. Alright, if they don't come on, there's a switch on the left side that'll turn the LCD lights on. It's very helpful to have the lights on so we can see better. Next, we want to move the assembly, the extruder assembly to its home position. So we're going to use the auto home feature on the LCD panel. We're going to press the button knob, and then we're going to rotate the knob to prepare, press it down again. We're going to spin the knob to auto home. I'm going to press the button at auto home. The extruder assembly is going to move to auto home, and then it's going to position itself in the lower left hand corner. It should be somewhat fairly tight to the mirrored surface. Next, I'm going to turn off the 3D printer. Now I need to move the extruder assembly over to the side. It has two leveling screws. Caution, move this slowly. Moving it fast will cause electricity and you could cause some electrical damage. So I want to move this over, and I want to move it over near the front leveling screw. So I'm just going to get it near the front leveling screw, and I'm going to put my reading glasses on, and it's best to get your head down low at the elevation of the bed plate and the hot end. We're going to slide the business card in there. You should have just a little bit more than the business card. You should be able to slide the business card in and out. You're going to adjust the screw right here if you need to make a change. You don't need to change the screw by very much. A very little change in the screw will do a lot. Now, once you have that leveled, you're going to move the bed plate slowly. Remember, caution, slowly move the bed plate back to the back leveling screw. You're again going to slide this business card in and out. We're going to set our screw height to adjust it. It doesn't take a whole lot of adjusting. Once we have these two, we have this side lined up this way. Now it's going to act as a hinge. We want to adjust the third screw. So we're going to slide our assembly over to the left side now, because that's the side of the single. I'm going to move the bed plate near the leveling screw. Now, I'm going to adjust the third one, and I'm going to adjust it so the business card can slide in there, and all three heights are of the adjustment of the business card will now be the same. That if we have 3 points exactly the same, we have a geometric plane now that's level. Some 3D printers have 4, and it's much harder to adjust 4 than it is 3. But we always adjust the 2 first. I like to start with the side nearest me, then the second one, and then the single leveling screw on the other side last. Now we're able to actually start and build a 3D print.